This is a one-day workshop organized by the Lagos State Technical and Vocational Education Board, Lastveb, for newly employed teachers and instructors of technical colleges on digital content development. The teachers were taught how to make their classrooms more interactive using AI.
Any large language model tool that you're using for your research is like your assistant. I hope you realize that. So imagine you're sending it to the market to say, okay, go and buy me ingredients for vegetable. I have sent you to buy me ingredients for vegetable, but I did not exactly tell you what kind of vegetable, right? It means you can get me efo, it means you can get me ugu, it means you can get me a random vegetable. But imagine I tell you, okay, I want to make a roll like a 50-year-old woman that has served in the palace or knows all about the local ingredients that should be used. I want you to curate a recipe that will give me that exact taste, and then tell me the prices, and then go to the market and buy it. Do you think the result will be the same?
No.
Which result do you think will be better? Exactly. So that is how you use any large language model. That's how you use any AI tool. You don't just go to an AI and you tell it what is English language. Do you understand? You give it information so you get better results.
What I want to do in this session is to open our mind to see that there's no limit to what you can actually achieve with AI. Now, as teachers, now you have to now look at how do I solve problems in my classroom? How do I make learning easy and was accessible to my different learners? Because we have different students, they have different learning styles. So the fact that a student is great at maths does not mean you might tag that person as well, maybe like your best students, or maybe it's good with English, but every other person have their own unique learning styles. But if you are teaching only one unique way, it means you are not tailoring or giving opportunity for other learners. Am I right or wrong?
What is Canva? So Canva is actually an easy to drag and drop design. So then they have like a whole thousands of templates. So that is actually why Canva is actually one of the biggest designing tool now because of the old templates. One thing about Canva is that, so if I've done, maybe last week, I actually did a class on maybe cell biology. And in this class today, I want to do respiratory system. I can easily go back to that design of last week and change it again and use it for a new thing. But one thing is that you should always save whatever class you do before you go back and edit it.
The Executive Secretary of the board, Ms. Ronke Aziz, stressed the importance of digital learning to enhance the practical aspects of the various skills taught in the classroom.
We want to make teaching and learning much more interactive. We want to make teaching and learning much more collaborative. And we want to make teaching and learning much more practical, focused. And for us to do that, our teachers need to move with times. They need to have at their fingertips various tools, various digital tools that will enable them to achieve that purpose.
To our newest educators, thank you for joining us. Your passion for teaching is the cornerstone of our mission, and we are thrilled to support your growth. We live in an era where technology reshapes how we connect, create, and educate. Classrooms are no longer confined to four walls, they extend to virtual places, interactive platform, and global network. As an educator, your role now transcends traditional instructions. It's about inspiring curiosity through innovation. This training is your gateway to mastering digital tools that will elevate your teaching, engage diverse learners, and prepare them for a tech-driven world.
The teachers appreciated the management of Lastveb for organizing the training to improve their teaching proficiency.
Be able to see how we can open or sign up for Canvas and apply some AI tools like the ChatGPT, the Gemini, the Sora, and some other AI tools that are available online, and how we can harness them for better preparation of our teaching aids and materials.
I've learned how to become a digital teacher and also how to use digital tools like AI, Canva to make my classroom more interactive with the students and also to make the students more engaged in what I'm teaching them. I would like to appreciate Lastveb and Lagos State government for giving us this opportunity to benefit from this digital skill training, because it has helped us at broadening our mind on how our classroom should be, so students can learn more and to make it more interactive with them.
It is expected that these instructors and teachers will become more digitally trained and able to teach their students using 21st century digital applications.